Hello and welcome back to another video. If you're looking to improve and maintain the fluency of any language you speak or you're learning, this is what you have to do. So these are the top 5. Listening to music, watching movies, speaking with a partner, learning from YouTube, and reading aloud if you can. Let's take the first one, listening to music. Listening to music in the language you are studying and it's going to help you very much. You can learn the lyrics, you can learn how to say certain things, you can pronounce the words. Every music is like a story and it's like speaking. Now the second point, movies. Watching movies is going to do so much for you in terms of improving and learning. And one thing I would recommend is watching movies without subtitles. As you watch the movie, repeat what you hear. You can pause and try reconstructing certain sentences or phrases that you hear. So you not only enjoy the movie, but you keep learning also. You learn to speak, it is going to refresh your knowledge. The third thing I recommend is getting a partner. Find someone with whom you can speak their language. From just greetings to long conversations. It could be anyone at all. If you happen to travel and you learn over there, try and reconnect with some of your friends from that country. There are many opportunities online these days that you can chat and exchange with people. If you have any means, do so. With whomever you are able to connect with, try and communicate as much as you can with the person. YouTube. There's so much you can learn from YouTube that it will surprise you. Listening to people just speaking in a language is also a very good way of keeping your language up to date. For instance, I watch Investio Peggy. They talk about investment, they talk about business, but everything they say is in French, and you're going to learn so much when you do listen to channels like that. The second channel I watch is Zach Mwekasa. He's a motivational speaker. He talks about general stuff. I would like to watch him a lot. It's all about what they say, how they say it. So you learn new ways of expressing yourself. So just get a channel in the language you're learning and just follow. Listen to the people, listen to what they say. Try and learn as much as you can from YouTube. The last thing is to read aloud. Now, if you are able to read the language you are learning, it will do you a lot of good to just take an article and read aloud to yourself. Reading aloud will build you up. It will give you pronunciation to help you structure your phrases. You can also learn a lot of words from the article you're learning. You can also pick up new phrases and new expressions as you read. So don't forget to read if you can read. But if you can't, there are so many other options you can consider. So these are the 5 tips I'm going to leave you to help you build your language and maintain your fluency. If there are some you may be using that I didn't mention, feel free to leave them in the comment section if you feel they are useful for others. And we're all going to learn from it. So until we meet again, thank you for watching.
Catchy!